you rubbish is the best noodles cook. He's the best cook. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and I'm the Thegarmentpotter.
Do you know how to get rid of these labels on your Ankara fabric? Do the white remains of these labels usually leave you annoyed whenever you try to remove them? This video is for you if you have a problem with removing labels from your Ankara
Let's
fabric.
get into this video. I soaked a piece of fabric in kerosene and all I need to do is this. You put it all over the points where you need it to be removed, and you do same for the back. Make sure your kerosene isn't too much so you don't leave a mess and you don't leave your fabric smelling of kerosene. When you're done doing that,
it works like magic, guys.
you can do that to every other label.
Oh my god! It works like magic, guys!
See, I just removed it and there is no disgusting piece of white spot without
piece of spot.
white spots. Let's try removing this other one without using the kerosene and see what happens. Wow. Oh my god, oh my god, it's gummy, you see. So there's actually a mark here and there's nothing here. You see that, guys? But you can't do same for here. See that, guys? Thanks for watching this video to the end. Guys, we have more tutorials like this. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you could get notified anytime we post a video. Comment down below if you think this video was helpful to you. So bye guys.